Okay, here we go. Here is a video on exponential notation for very big numbers or very small numbers. This is what we use this for. So if we see something like 4.13 times 10 to the third, what do we see? Well, that's the coefficient. Here, and that's the base. And here's the exponent. So we have coefficient, the base, and exponent. Each work together to tell us something new about it. Well, this coefficient tells us the initial digits, 4.1. Our base tells us what we're going to multiply this coefficient by. Our exponent tells us how many times that base is multiplied. In this case, 3. So it's 4.13 times 10 times 10 times 10. Another way of doing that is if I have decimal place and multiply by 10, that's in like 1 times 10 is 10, times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. So I can move the decimal places 3 times, the same number as the exponent, which tells us altogether now 4.13, move my decimal place 3 times, give us 4130. That is equal to 4.13 times 10 to the third. Now notice this is a comma and this is a period. Decimal is used to tell us how many times multiplied by 10. Now if we are going to the right for positive exponents, the left would be for negative exponents. So, that's awesome. If we do 4.13 times 10 to the negative third, well, what does that equal to? Well, negative 3 is going to move to the left 3 times. So, 4.13, 1, 2, 3. So, 4.13 times 10 to the negative third is equal to 0.00413. Again, for very big numbers, very small numbers, we can add these cool exponents. How to use this in a calculator? So for calculators, it depends on the calculator themselves. Now, most people have a TI calculator. So there's 2 buttons that look like this, EE or EXP. And we would for this example, 4.3 times 10 to the negative third, it would be just the number 4. These are the buttons you should be pushing. Now, EXP stands for times 10 caret, which means we'll have to only add in a negative, usually looks like that, 3. So this is what we're going to press into our calculator because this button stands for this. Now, if you don't have that button, you can put that in there instead. Times 10 caret. And I'll write that down more specifically. It will be times 10 caret. That tells us it's going to be an exponent. That's scientific notation. Here we go. I want to see, here's some examples I want you to work out on your own. I want you to use a calculator, and I want you to do these quick problems, and then I want you to create some rules about what happens when you multiply and divide numbers in scientific notation. So, what I want the solutions. Solutions and make up rules.